need candy. Oh, and a little man you can choke on. But isn't he cute?
Oh, he's like tiny.
No, you put him in your mouth. In my mouth? That's a great idea, Mom.
Merry Christmas and holiday traditions on Sirius XM.
Here, you can put other stuff in there. Put them up. Oh, these are stickers. Spider-Man stickers. Candy Dish. The heck with the boxes, hey? I got an egg.